Hello, this is Robin Sampson with BibleJournalLove.com. This is a quick tutorial just to show you how to open an image in Photoshop Elements. If you're on a Mac, you're going to use the Finder, and if you're on a PC, you'll use the Explorer. When you click this button in the left-hand corner, because I'm on a Mac, my Finder opens. So what I need to do is navigate to where I keep my art. Now, where you keep your art is a different place. I'm going to go to my Exodus era folder. I'm going to sort by name and find the 10 Plagues lesson. When I'm in that lesson, I'm looking for the art, so I'm looking for ping files, and I go open this folder, and there is where I stored my artwork from this lesson. You might have a different look. You might have yours showing by image, by list, and this is another way that you can do it by opening a window and then it's showing the image there. So I'm going to open this cluster of flowers by clicking on it and then clicking the button that says Open. And that opens it on a new area inside of Photoshop Elements. Notice that I'm on the Expert Layout area. I'm going to close this file. Now I'm going to open it using my top menu, File, Open. If you notice, there's a keyboard shortcut there, and that's another way that you can open it. You use the Command O for Open on a Mac and Windows O for Open on a PC. We're going to just click on the button, it'll say Open, and then again, you navigate to where the image is that you want to open. There's my Exodus era images, 10 Plagues, Art, and then I open the cluster file. My favorite way to do this is to use my Finder window. On a PC, you'd be using an Explorer window, and I just simply put the Finder window next to Photoshop Elements, go to the area that I want to use, navigate to my artwork, and then drag and drop the art into the page, to its own page. And now that it's in there, you can drag and drop it onto the open page that you have. And you do this by going over to this Layers palette. This Layers palette is only shown if you're in the Expert mode and you have this button, Layers, open. And then you can drag and drop it onto another page. So that's a real quick tutorial. If you have a question about Bible journaling digitally, just visit our Facebook group and ask your questions there. If I can, I'll make you a video like this one to show you how to do something in Photoshop Elements. If you would like to know more about Bible journaling or Bible journaling digitally, we do both physical and digital Bible journaling. Go to BibleJournalLove.com or BibleJournalingDigitally.com. Scroll down the page. This is a class that we're currently doing, the Exodus Bible Journal Along, which is a blast. So if you're interested, come and see. I'll give you a real quick secret coupon code. Use Moses, all capital letters, Moses50, and receive 50% off this popular class. You can see the class by clicking that button. But if you scroll down to Quick Learn Photoshop for Photoshop Elements, you can take this class and get a $20 coupon to my store, which is Bible Journal Love on Etsy. So to learn more about Bible journaling, go to BibleJournalLove.com, scroll down and read about it, and there's lots of freebies if you go to the blog. If you go to the Facebook group, you can talk to us there, and the Bible Journal Love shop is there, and there's Bible Journal classes. I hope to see you in the Facebook group. Bye-bye.